how to change your number on WhatsApp without losing your data on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch to a new number while keeping all your chats and data intact. First, make sure you have access to both your old number and your new number before starting. You'll need both to complete the process. After that, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Account at the top of the Settings menu. In the next step, tap on Change Number. Following this, tap Next to proceed. Once done, enter your current number in the first field, then enter your new number in the second field. From here, tap Next and WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new number. At this stage, enter the verification code to confirm your new number. Finally, once verified, your number will be updated and all your chats, groups, and data will remain completely intact. Nothing will be lost in the process. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you change your number without losing your data, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.